Hey guys, I got these IR digital night vision goggles and camera here that the seller sent to me to review for you guys, and this thing is very cool. So this can be mounted on your helmet, your tactical helmet. If you have the bracket on the front there, you have a little mount that you can add to this camera and then hook it on there. I don't have the bracket, so you do need to make sure you get that if you want to mount it to your helmet, but it does have this little bracket that you can attach onto it and take off pretty easily with a little screw and slide it right on out. You also have the threading there at the bottom if you want to mount it on something like a tripod or any kind of mount with that thread. You can do that. You can also do handheld and use like this, so it has a nice grip in your hand and your fingers are on all the buttons essentially to have access. So again, like I said, this is a digital IR night vision. You can use this during the day as well. Let me see if I can give you guys kind of an idea of what it looks like in there. I will show you what it looks like at night as well, but that is the day vision. You turn on the night vision, it goes to black and white because it uses the IR to do that. And then you can do the settings of the IR for nighttime. Another cool thing is that this is Wi-Fi capable. All right, so I got the camera right here, and you can see I got it connected to the app on the phone. So really cool little app. All you have to do is do that connectivity, download the app, connect the camera, and then you have those options for recording. You have a memory card on here, which is right in here. Right there, you got a little SD card. You can record video, take pictures with it. You can get up to 4K video with this at 30 frames a second, and you can go to 1080 at 60 frames a second. So it is a nice camera in here as well. You have all the menu options to change all kinds of settings inside there, but you also have the focus ring right here at the front. This is a magnification, so it's a 6x and 4x digital zoom magnification in there, so you're going to be using this for looking far distances. So if you are looking in it, you won't see as much close up. Like if you're trying to like do something right in front of your hand, it's going to be I can see my hand, but it's taking up more of the screen. So in terms of using this to do some close movements at night, it'll be a little bit harder. I think it's more designed towards like looking far out and looking at things a little bit further away. Again, it's not a 20x, 30x magnification. You've got 4x, 6x in there. But yeah, let me go ahead and get some video at night and show you guys the video that it's able to record. But overall, I'm super excited about this, having this and being able to, I'm going to get the mount so I can mount it onto my helmet. I get some night vision for my tactical operations, but feels like a great quality night vision, digital night vision. You can use this for camping, hiking, hunting, and everything in between, survival, emergency preparedness, all that kind of stuff. So let me get you guys some night vision. But if this video was helpful for you guys in making a decision, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next review video. Thanks. All right, there's my lawnmower out there in the dark. You can see right there, that is it in the night vision with the IR. So really cool night vision. You can pretty much have a clear view, a black and white clear view of anything out here, and it's pretty dark, so awesome.